Let's take a look into the new model of Astondoa, the AS8 yacht of 25 meters of length and 6 meters of beam with a new approach for the life at sea. When accessing the boat from stern, it is possible to appreciate a connection between the cockpit and the beach club. We try to combine two spaces in one without losing the essence of its 82 feet. The location of the cockpit's furniture, the glazed balcony and the design of the access steps between both spaces, along with the couch of Beach Club, have created a more integrated space. Two wide side aisles lead us to the bow with a mid-length step from which the carbon fibre handrails humanise the yacht, and at the arrival to the bow they merge with a huge stainless steel A, emblem of the company, which faces forward to the future and backs the small bow seat under which are located the mooring bits which disappear from the deck. The generously sized Flybridge features a contemporary design sitting area and fulfills its intimacy and privacy functions. The interior design of the AS8 by styling, development and execution could be classified as an art in motion. Its spacious 7-meter-long living and dining room with large glazed areas and low-profile side bows give a close view of the sea. The kitchen bridge has large front windows that fill the space with light, and the control panel, with an avant-garde and ergonomic design, is responsible for merging two spaces as different as the bridge and the kitchen, creating a stable and attractive set. The aesthetic is modern and elegant, sophisticated but visually simple. The white matter lacquers with their shapes provide a sensation of movement. The very fine finishing mouldings are a statement of elegance, and the leather panels with grey-beige gradients, handmade in situ, create the art in motion. The matte wood panels give the ensemble roundness. The bathrooms, with their height and a great transparency in steel and glass, expand the space. The new AS8 is the result of the blend between a contemporary design, style and colour and trim, with our craftsman's timeless knowledge, that makes our yacht unique, beautiful, practical and flawlessly finished, where every detail counts.